Who broke it?
Me.
Oh.
I'm smiling. Let's see who's smiling. See?
You better get Daddy and not worry about cheesing. Better get him.
You can't get me. The mist.
I need one.
That's the big one? You want the heavy one?
Yeah.
Can you hit me with it? You too little. Oh, not really.
I need. No, Daddy.
No, Dad. You need to hit me with... Where's that small one at?
Okay, one.
Here.
That's a small one.
You need the small ones, the little ones.
Small one.
And that one.
Now get Daddy. Get Daddy with those.
Oh. 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 Hit him with a big one, he goes down.